In this video, we can talk about top 5 Basecamp alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Quo channel. If you are into project management, then this video is for you. In today's video, we're going to uncover the popular alternatives to Basecamp, a tool known for its simplicity and team communication prowess. The top 5 alternatives of Basecamp, which are Asana, Smartsheet, Wrike, Jira, and Trello. Let's navigate these cool collaboration tools together. Introducing the first alternative on our list, Asana. Asana is a versatile project management tool designed to streamline team collaboration and task management. It offers features like workflow builder, app integrations, reporting, and automation. Asana's strong focus on integrations allows teams to connect the tool with various apps, amplifying its versatility and adaptability within existing workflows. One of the standout features of Asana is its ability to create custom templates that empowers teams to replicate successful project structures. Second one on our list is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a dynamic work management platform tailored for collaborative and automated project execution. It offers features like task scheduling, resource management, project planning, and email management. It bridges the gap between structured data management and project planning. Smartsheet's standout feature is its ability to combine the familiarity of spreadsheets with project management tools. Third one on our list is Wrike. Wrike is a work management and planning tool that offers end-to-end solutions for teams, ranging from task management to project planning. It comes with excellent features like reporting and analytics, collaboration tools, task management, and communication channels. It empowers teams to collaborate efficiently, whether they are working in-house or remotely. One of its standout features is its interactive Gantt chart feature, which aids in visualizing project timelines and managing dependencies efficiently. Next, we have Jira Software. Jira Software is a specialized tool primarily used for agile software development that offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to managing tasks, issues, and projects within the agile framework. Its key features like Scrum boards, roadmaps, and automation. Jira's agile-focused approach makes it an indispensable tool for software development teams. Jira's standout feature is its specialization in agile methodologies, offering an array of tools and features specifically designed to enhance collaboration. Last but not the least, we have Trello. Trello is a visually oriented task management tool that employs boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. It offers features like power-ups, integrations, automation, and templates. It's designed to simplify task tracking and enhance collaboration through a user-friendly interface. One of its standout features is the unique visual representation using boards and cards, which simplifies task tracking and encourages a more engaging approach to project management. Compared to Basecamp, Asana excels in cross-team coordination by allowing task dependencies, enhancing interconnectivity compared to Basecamp's more standalone approach. Smartsheet's dynamic reporting and data analysis capabilities enable in-depth performance evaluation, offering more advanced insights than Basecamp's communication-focused metrics. Wrike's customizable request forms and built-in approval workflows facilitate structured project initiation and authorization, setting it apart from Basecamp's simplicity in this aspect. Jira's robust issue tracking and advanced workflow automation suit intricate software development processes, making it superior for managing complex development life cycles compared to Basecamp's broad application. And Trello's Power-Ups ecosystem extends functionality through integrations with various tools, allowing teams to tailor their experience in a way Basecamp's integrated options can't match. In our exploration of the top alternatives to Basecamp, We would recommend Wrike as the best alternative to Basecamp due to its well-integrated approach to task management and project coordination. With its dynamic and comprehensive set of features, Wrike emerges as the best alternative for teams seeking a holistic and adaptable project management solution. Wrike's commitment to customizable dashboards and tailored reporting elevates its performance evaluation capabilities. Another remarkable facet of Wrike is its collaborative strength in structuring projects from the get-go. As we come to the end of this video on Basecamp Alternatives, remember, we would sum up by saying that each tool brings its unique flavor to the table. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.